bridge the gap in the workforce.
You're going to be making people happy and doing your dream job.
Now is a great time for a student to be able to enter the program, learn what they need to do, and make a significant income.
The field is wide open to other things that they want to explore.
To ensure that students are ready for the workforce.
Our faculty bring to the table experience from business and industry.
They have years of experience, so they make sure that we really grasp all that information.
And we're finding out how to solve problems in real time while we're learning.
Due to the lack of workforce out there, it is a very good field to get into.
I don't think I can find a better program than this.
When technicians come through here, they will be qualified.
They're extremely knowledgeable, extremely helpful, and encouraging.
We're growing, and we're trying our best to meet a very high demand workforce.